Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 7 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 7 maths and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. So we're going to start with the chapter 1 variable equation. And the lesson we're going to cover today are solve equations involving like terms. Then we'll do the final test of the chapter. We'll start the new chapter that is exponents and square roots. And the lessons we are going to cover today are understanding exponents and evaluate exponents. So let's just start with the first lesson that is solve equations involving like terms. Okay, here I am on grade 7 math. The chapter name is one way equation. And here is this lesson we're going to start with is that is solve equations involving like terms. Okay, let's just start with the first example that is x we take subtract 5v equals 9. So first we're going to learn what are the like terms. Got it? So like terms are the terms that have the same variables. Got it? Same variables and same powers. Got it? Like in this question 6v and 5v are the topic is we are on grade 7 math. The chapter is one variable equation and the lesson is solve equations involving like terms. Are you on this topic? Can I start? We are working on grade 7 maths. The chapter name is one variable equations and here is the lesson name solve equations involving like terms. Okay, so first of all we're going to learn what are the like terms. So like terms are the terms that have the same variables raised to the same powers. Got it? To subtract like terms, subtract their coefficients. So basically like terms are the terms that have the same variables or with the same exponent. So here you have 6v and 5v are the like terms. Got it? Because they have the same variable. Got it? So just subtract their coefficients. 6 take away 5 is 1. It would be 1v equals 9. That means v equals 9. Got it? Okay, the next example is okay, the next example is solve for j. 6j plus j equals 14. Got it? So you have to add. So 6j plus j are the like terms. Got it? Because they both have the same variable. So you have to add 6j plus 1j is 7j. 7j equals 14. You have to find the value of j only. So remove that 7. 7 is multiplying to j. So opposite to multiplication is division. So divide both sides by 7. It would be 7 times 2 is 14. So j equals 2. Got it? So that is j equals 2. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay. Okay, just listen to me carefully. You have to basically solve the equation for a. Got it? You have to collect the like terms. Like terms are the terms that have the same variables. Like here you have 2a and a. They both are the like terms because they have the same variable a. Got it? So you can just solve their coefficients. They are subtracting. That means you have to do the coefficient for this one is 2 and for this one is 1. You have to do 2 take away 1. Got it? 2 take away 1 is 1. Here you have a variable a. It would be then 1a equals 17. Got it? 1a is, so a equals 17. Either you write 1 or you don't write it. That is the same. So that means a equals 17. Got it? So the correct option for this one is 17. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. So 10p and 4p, they both have the same variables. Got it? This is very easy. You just have to understand they have the same variable p. Got it? If they have the same variables p, you just have to subtract them. You have to do 10 minus 4. Just subtract their coefficients. Got it? 10p and 4p are the like terms. Got it? Just subtract their coefficients. 10 take away 4 is 6. It would be 6p equals 18. Got it? You have to find the value of p only. So remove that 6. Opposite to multiplication is 6 is multiplying to p. So opposite to multiplication is division. Got it? 6 and 6 cancel out each other, and 6 times what number is 18? 6 times 3 is 18. So it would be p equals 3. Like terms are the terms that have the same variables. Got it? So 10p and 4p are the like terms. Just subtract. they there you have a subtraction sign between them. So subtract their coefficients. Just do 10 take away 4. Got it? So 10 take away 4 is 6. It would be then 6p equals, so it would be p equals 3. Got it? So the correct option is 3. Got it? Okay, let's just do another example and the test questions. Okay, the next one is 18h minus 10h equals 8. So basically 18h and 10h are the like terms. Got it? Because they have the same variable h. Got it? So you have 18 minus 10. Just subtract their coefficients. So 18 minus 10 is 8. It is 8h equals 8. Got it? Now you have to remove that 8 from here. So 8 is multiplying to h. So opposite to multiplication is division. Just divide both sides by 8. So it would be then 8 times 1 is 8, and 8 times 1 is 8. That means h equals 1. Got it? So the correct option is 1. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 14j minus 17j. So both of them are the like terms. Got it? Because they have the same variable j. Just subtract their coefficients. The coefficients are 14 minus 7. So 14 minus 7 is, so 14 minus 7 is 7j equals 14. Got it? So 7 is multiplying to j. So opposite to multiplication is division. Just divide. It would be then j equals 7 times what number is 14? 7 times 2 is 14. It would be then j equals 2. Got it? So the correct option is 2. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 8g minus 6g. So they both have the like terms, got it? Because they have the same variables, got it? Just subtract them. 8 minus 6 is 2. It would be 2g equals 8, got it? So it would be divide both sides by 2. So it would be then g equals 4, got it? So the correct option is 4. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Ramesh, still you have any problem? You there? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic, and the next topic is the final test of the chapter 1 variable equation. So let's start with the final test of the chapter. Okay, write an equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line. So we have to write the equation that says the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line. So the length of the red line is 14, and the length of the red line is, the red line has two segments. The length you have to add, the length of the black line is s plus 4, got it? So they both are equal, that means s plus 4 equals 14, got it? So that would be option number 2, s plus 4 equals 14. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. That would be s plus 4 equals 14. Okay, if you still need more help, you can contact any tutor. Okay, okay, good. What value of z is the solution of the equation? So basically we have to find the solution of the equation. You are given with the options. Just start with the first option. Let's see if z equals 10 is the solution of the equation. So add 10 to, replace the z with 10. It would be 10. 18 plus 10 equals 28. Just add if they see they both are equal. 18 plus 10 is 28. So 28 equals 28. Got it? That means this is the correct option is z equals 10. Got it? So it would be z equals 10. Very good. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is solve for j. You have to solve this equation for j. So first let's just isolate the variable. That means move that 3 to the other side. Got it? So opposite to addition is subtraction. Subtract 3 both sides. Got it? So 3 minus 3 is 0 and 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 equals 2j. Got it? Now you have to find the value of j only. So just divide both sides by 2. So you are left with j equals 2 times what number is 4? 2 times 2 is 4. So that would be j equals 2. Got it? The correct option is 2. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, which set of algebra tile represents the equation 3x equals 9? So which is the correct option? Option 1 or option 2? 3x equals 9. This is the option number 1. Got it? You have 3 of the tiles with that, and on the other side is for the orange. So the option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, what value of d is the solution of the equation 8d equals 56? So remove that 8. 8d equals 56. So just divide both sides by 8. Got it? 8 and 8 cancel out each other. And 8 times what number is 56? 8 times 7 is 56. Got it? That means the correct option is D equals 7. Got it? Okay, the next one is which equation does the set of algebra tiles represent? So you have a single tile for x, so it would be x. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It would be x plus 8. And here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It would be x plus 8 equals 12. Got it? Equation number one is the option number one is the correct option. X plus 8 equals 12. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, solve for p, you have to find the value of the p from this equation. So on this side you have p minus 2. Got it? So you have to do the reverse operations. You have to remove that negative 2. So that to remove that negative 2, you have to add both sides by 2, because opposite to subtraction is addition. Got it? 2 minus 2 is 0, so you're left with p here, and 2 plus 2 makes 4, so it would be p equals 4. The correct option is 4. So the correct option is 4. Okay, the next one is 2 equals 4 minus 2e. So you have to move that negative 2 to the other side. It would be then 2 plus 2v equals 4, because opposite subtraction is addition. Got it? Now move that 2 to the other side, so you have to subtract both sides by 2. Got it? 2 minus 2 is 0. You are left with 2v equals 4. Take away 2 is 2. Now divide both sides of the equation by 2, so it would be v equals 1. Got it? The correct option is v equals. So the correct option is 1. Okay, the next one is 16d minus 13d equals 15. So you have to solve this equation for d. Got it? So they both are actually the like terms. 16d and 13d are the like terms. They have the same variable. Got it? Just subtract their coefficient. So 16 subtract 13 is. So 16 take away 13 is 3d. 3d equals 15. Got it? So you have to find the value of d only. So remove the 3 is multiplying to d. So opposite to multiplication is division. So it would be cancel out. You are left with d. And 3 times what number is 15? 3 times 5 is 15. So d equals 5. Got it? So the correct option is d equals 5. Okay, the next one is 12a minus 9a equals 18. So 12a and 9a are the like terms. Just subtract their coefficients. 12 subtract 9 is 3a equals 18. So 3 is multiplying to a. So opposite to multiplication is division. So we are left with a equals 3 times what number is 18? 3 times 6 is 18. So the correct option is 6. Got it? So the correct option is 6. Okay, write an equation that says that the length of the red line is equal to the length of the black line. So the length of the red line is 18 and the length of the black line is c plus 7. So it would be c plus 7 equals 18. Got it? Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. So basically we are done with the final test. We're going to start the new chapter, that is exponents and square roots. Got it? Let me just go back and start with the new chapter. Chapter is exponents and square roots. Got it? Here is the new chapter. Let's just start with the new chapter. Okay, let's start with the first lesson, that is understanding exponents. Okay, so first of all, we're going to learn how to write the expression using an exponent. Got it? Like for example, the first one is 3 times 3. Got it? We have to write the expression using an exponent. Got it? 3 times 3 means basically you have to understand the exponents and the, so you can write 3 times 3 as 3 square. Got it? That means the 3 square is exactly equal to this one. That means 3 is multiplying twice. That means 3 times 3. Got it? This is the base and the power is the exponent. This is actually the exponent. So you have to multiply 3 two times. It would be 3 times 3. Got it? An exponent tells you how many times to use the base as a factor. Basically, the exponent tells you how many times you have to use this 3 as a factor. Got it? So exponent is 2. That means you have to use it twice, 3 times 3. Got it? Okay, the next example is 3 times 3 times 3. So you have 3 is multiplying 3 times. So you can write it as 3, 3. Basically, this is the base is 3, and the exponent 3. That means you have to multiply 3 times. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay. Okay, write the expression using an exponent. So we have to write this expression using exponent. Got it? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 is multiplying 4 times. Got it? So it would be 3 times exponent 4. Got it? This is the base and this is the exponent. Got it? Basically, the exponent tells you how many times you have to multiply the base. Got it? The exponent is 4. That means you have to multiply the base 4 times. Yes, very good. It would be 3 exponent 4. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is write the expression using an exponent. So which is the correct option? 3 times 3 times 3. Got it? You can write it as 3 exponent 3, which is the correct option. Very good. You can write it as 3 exponent 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. Got it? That means 3 is multiplying 3 times by itself. Okay, write the expression using exponent. So which of the option is the correct one? Of 4 cube or 3 cube, which is the correct option? Very good. That would be the second option. You are multiplying 4 how many times? 4 times. So it would be 4 exponent 4 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, the next one is write the expression using an exponent. So which option is the correct one? So which is the correct option? Yes, that would be 2 square because 2 is multiplying twice by itself. Got it? Okay. Write the expression using an exponent. So which of the option is the correct one? That would be option number 1. Got it? Because 3 is multiplying twice. So it would be 3 times 3. Got it? Very good. Okay, write the expression using exponent. So which option is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? It would be 6 is multiplying 3 times. Got it? That means that it is option number 2, 6 exponent 3. Very good. That means 6 is multiplying 3 times by itself, 6 times 6 times 6. Okay, write the expression using an exponent. So which option is the correct one? 2 times 2 times 2. Which of the option is the correct one? That would be 2 exponent 3. Very good. 2 is multiplying 3 times. So the correct option is 2 exponent 3. Okay, write the expression using an exponent. So which of the option is the correct one? 4 times 4 times 4. So which option is the correct one? Yes, the first one. That would be 4 cube because 4 is multiplying 3 times. So it would be 4 cube. Very good. Okay, write the expression using an expression is the correct one. 8 times 8. So which of the option is the correct one? Yes, that would be 8 square because 8 is multiplying 2 times. Got it? Okay, write the expression using an exponent. So which option is the correct one? You have to do 7 times 7 times 7. So which is the correct option? That would be 7 cube. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Very good. Okay, write the expression using exponent. So which option is the correct one? 4 times 4. Yes, it is option number 2, 4 square. Very good. Okay, write the expression using an exponent. So which option is the correct one? Yes, it would be 7 exponent 4. Got it? Okay, the next one is write the expression using an exponent. So which option is the correct one? Yes, that is 2 exponent 3. Got it? Because 2 is multiplying 3 times. Got it? So we are done with the test. Let's just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is evaluate exponents. Now we're going to learn how to evaluate exponents. Got it? Evaluate 8 square. Got it? So basically an exponent tells you how many times is its base is used as the factors. 8 square means you have to multiply 8 how many times? 2 times. You have to do 8 times 8. Got it? So it would be 8 times 8 is 64. Got it? Okay, this one you have 6 square. Got it? 6 square means you have to multiply the base big. Actually, the power tells you how many times you have to multiply the base. Got it? You have to do 6 times 6. Got it? And 6 times 6 is 36. Let's just start with the test question. Okay, the first one is 7 square. So what you have to do? 7 square means you have to do 7 times 7. Got it? 7 square means the square tells you how many times you have to multiply the base. It would be 7 times 7 and 7 times 7 is 49. So the correct option for this one is 49. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, evaluate 6 square equals 6 square means you have to do 6 times 6 and 6 times 6 is, yes, very good. That would be 36. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, evaluate 2 square. So 2 square means you have to do 2 times 2 and 2 times 2 is 4. Got it? The correct option is 4. Okay, evaluate 2 exponent 3. So 2 exponent 3 means you have to do 2 times 2 times 2. So which is the correct option? 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 2 is, yes, that would be 8. Okay, the next one is evaluate. You have to do 3 exponent 3. 3 exponent 3 means you have to do 3 times 3 times 3. So which is the correct option? Yes, it is 27. Got it? Okay, the next one is 5 square. So 5 square means you have to do, So you have to do 5 times 5, that would be 25. Okay, the next one is evaluate. 9 square is 9 times 9, and 9 times 9 is 81. So the correct option is 81. 9 times 9 is, yes, that is 81. Okay, 3 square equals, you have to do 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. The correct option is 9. Okay, the next one is 4 cube. So which is the correct option? 4, yes, 4 times 4 is 64. Okay, 8 square equals, 64. Okay, the next one is 10 square. So 10 square is 10 times 10, and 10 times 10 is 100. Got it? The correct option is 100. Okay, the next one is 6 square. So 6 square equals 6 times 6, and 6 times 6 is 36. Got it? The correct option is 36. Okay, the next one is 4 square. 4 square means you have to do 4 times 4, and 4 times 4 is 16. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So here is the list of the lessons we have done today. We are working on grade 7 math, and we have started with the chapter 1 variable equations, and the lessons we did are solve equations involving like terms. Then we did the final test of the chapter. We have started the new chapter, that is exponents and square roots, and the lessons we have covered are understanding exponents and evaluate exponents. So if you have any question you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions if you have any. Please write the question in the chat box if you have any. Okay, please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. If you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Or either you can join me in the interactive session that will be daily from 9 to 9:45. Got it? That's all for today. Please click on the like button right below the video. That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye. Bye everyone.